So let's say that we want to enter a percentage into Excel. The easiest way to do that is to type the number, such as 5.25, and then add a percent symbol at the same time. And when we do so, if we've not typed anything in that worksheet cell before, we're going to get a 2 for 1. We're going to enter our number. We're also going to format it as a percentage at the same time. Now, conversely, though, what sometimes happens is we either have numbers that are already in the spreadsheet, or maybe just out of habit, we type it as a decimal value. So we put in 0.0525. And then we go up on the home menu to the number section, and we click on that percent command there. The percent command is enticing to us, but when we click on it, it hides the decimals. It adds a percent symbol, but it hides the decimals, which means we then have to do an extra step of using either increase or decrease decimal to adjust the decimals there. Now, another way to have a bit more control over formatting numbers would instead be to click the number format button. That's that little arrow in the corner of a given section in the menu. So if I click that arrow in the section in the corner of the number section of the home menu, that will bring up a Format Cells dialog box where I can format the percentage. But yet another way is if I were to pull down that number format menu on the home menu, on that menu there is a choice that says percentage. And so the distinction is that the percentage choice on that menu does include decimal places, but the one that they gave us that's the most enticing to click on takes away the decimal places. So that too can result in frustration. Like, why is Excel taking away the decimal places? It's just a matter of understanding how it was written. So the percent symbol gives you a percent sign but removes the decimals. You can restore the decimals by using the increase decimal or decrease decimal buttons there. Alternatively, if we go into the Format Cells dialog box, which we can display by clicking in the corner of the number section, that's going to give us more control. Or by pulling down this menu of number formats, on that menu there is a percentage choice, and it would give you the option to have 2 decimal places. So here what we'll do, let's kind of zoom in here. So notice if the cell is marked as general, that means it's a blank cell and there's no particular formatting there. So if I type in 5.25 and type the percent symbol and press enter, then I'm done. That's formatted the way I want. I can go on to the next data entry task. We're going to come up here and I'm going to reset that cell. A way to reset a cell is in the editing section to use the clear command and say clear all. That resets it as if we had never typed anything in it. So this time I'm going to put 0.0525 and press enter. So I want to show you, if I go back to that cell intending to format it as a percent, on the number section, if I do click this percent style, then in Excel, a percent doesn't have any decimal places. So I'd have to come in here and choose increase decimal, so a multi-step action to get the decimal places back there. Now we're going to erase this. We're going to try it again, 0.0525. Conversely, if I went into the number format button, under Format Cells, there is a percentage choice, defaults to 2 decimal places. I click OK. That lets me stay in control. Or if we erase it one more time, we put 5.25. If I pulled down this menu here, on the menu there is a percentage choice. I could make that selection and then that would put the decimal places in. So you wouldn't think it would be that nuanced in just formatting numbers in Excel, but again, what they've done here, the percent style gives you a percent symbol, but it makes the decimal places vanish. So the increase decimal button, if you need it, will let you restore any decimals that Excel has hidden from you. So our term is straightforward. There's going to have a 48-month term here. But when it comes to entering numbers, that too can be a little tricky here.